Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can customize your folder icon into your Windows 11 in a very simple way. You can see here we have a folder and we will going to change this icon over here. Just simply select that and click on the right mouse button and then go for properties. After clicking on properties, here we'll get option customize and then click on that and then come over folder icons option and then go for change icon. If you click on that, then you will get lots of options to change your icon. Like I'm going to select this icon over here, click OK, click apply, and OK, you can see my games folder icon is changed. If you want to use some different customized icons, you just simply come over into your Google Chrome, and from here you just need to come over into this download icon archive. If you click on that, then you'll simply get this kind of interface over here. And from here, if you want to download a gaming folder icon, like I was going to choose this one. After that, you just need to come over. You can also change the color background. You can also do that. So you just want to click on this all download formats, and from here you just need to download for download icon. If you click on that, and now it's downloaded. And now what you're going to do, you just simply click on this folder and then going to click on properties, go for customize, and then go for change icon. After then click on browse and click on download, and you can see it's your folder over here. If you click on that, click OK and click apply and OK, you can see your icon has been changed into your Windows. You can see. So this is how you can change or customize your icons into Windows 11. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope to see you in other videos. Till then, goodbye.